hand. My hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are? Like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump!
Hold on.
Through a painstaking process of trial and error, I found out what he liked.
Dad, can you put some in your card for us?
Yeah, I can. As long as it's not too annoying.
No, it's not annoying.
What's it called?
Am I walking you or are you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
What?
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Why?